Here's a breakdown of crypto trading apps available in the USA and those not available. Available in the USA, Coinbase, popular and user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. Binance US, a US version of Binance, one of the largest global exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Kraken, known for its strong security features and wide variety of crypto assets. Gemini, a regulated exchange in the US with strong compliance and security features. eToro offers both crypto and traditional investments. It's a social trading platform that allows you to copy other traders. Crypto.com, a comprehensive platform offering crypto trading, staking, and a wide variety of related financial services. BlockFi focuses on crypto lending and borrowing, along with trading. Robinhood allows users to trade crypto alongside traditional stocks, though it has limited features compared to dedicated crypto exchanges. Safi Invest, an easy-to-use platform with crypto trading and other financial services. Uphold offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, as well as traditional assets like stocks and precious metals. Not available in the USA, Binance Global. The full version of Binance, not the Binance US app, is restricted for US users due to regulatory issues. KuCoin, although available to US citizens, it does not fully comply with US regulations and is generally considered not fully accessible for US traders. Bitfinex primarily caters to international users, and US citizens face limitations or restricted access. Bybit. Although some US users still access it through VPNs, Bybit restricts full access to US residents due to regulatory concerns. OKX, formerly OKEX. Like other non-US exchanges, it has limited availability for US residents due to regulatory hurdles. The regulatory landscape for crypto trading in the US is continuously evolving, so it's always good to check whether a platform has specific restrictions or is compliant with US regulations before signing up.